What's going on, everybody? Noble back with you guys again, and in today's video we're actually going to be skipping over some stuff. Now, you guys know that I've been trying to build a website and we've been trying to walk through the settings just in case you guys might want to make your own. Again, I really do think that having your own site and being in control of your own content, the way you share it, being able to say what you want to say about it is very, very important. So we've been going through the settings and we've been trying to set everything up. Now, there's a few things that we are not going to mess with yet, and this is because I'm not a professional. I am not huge, and to be quite honest with you guys, I do not have the money to go ahead and do some of these things that require extra money on top of what you've already paid for your site. So I just want to go ahead and talk about some of these things. In the last video, we went ahead and set up our domain, which is fantastic. We've got a custom domain set up for our website, which is going to be www.NobleArcade.com. Now, as far as email and G Suite goes, we are going to be setting up an email and a G Suite later on in the future. But as you guys can see here, these cost extra money. And like I said, I don't personally have the money for it right now. And again, I'm pretty small. Like, whenever I do start up the site, I'm pretty much going to be blogging and trying to make reviews, but it's going to be slow going. So there's not going to be a whole lot of content on the site immediately. And I mean, to just be frank with you guys, that probably means I'm not going to be getting a whole lot of traffic, which means paying for something like this right now would be kind of a waste because I'm not really going to be able to use it. There's not going to be a whole lot of people trying to email me or get contact information. Now, I am going to set this up sometime soon as I can, as soon as I get the extra money for it. But for right now, it's something that we're just going to skip over. So just keep an eye out for trying to set up your email with Squarespace in the future. Now, also, I'm not going to go into billing and accounting. If you guys want to go here, this is actually going to show you all of your personal information, from your invoices to when your next due date is to the credit card information that you have on your profile. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go into this because this is all my personal information, but I did want to mention that that is there for you guys. Now, I did want to set up a mobile information bar, but I've gotten myself the cheapest plan for the website so far, and it's pretty much a premium feature, as you guys can see on screen. It requires a business or a commerce plan, and I haven't paid for that yet. So like I said, as we continue to flesh out the site, as we continue to try to finish the site, start adding content and stuff, we will upgrade to stuff like this, and we will come back around to this. I just wanted to go ahead and try to mention those to you guys real quick. In our next video, we are going to jump into cookies and visitor data and then slowly go on down to blogging and advanced. But again, I'm trying to be sure to mention everything, because if you're trying to build your own site, if you're starting off just like I am, and it's just like a side project that you're working on, you might not have all the money that you need for all these extra things. And like I said, whenever you're first starting out, especially if you're like me, you got a full-time job, you do YouTube videos, you gotta edit, and then on top of that, you're gonna have to write blogs, write reviews, write your own personal things on the website. You're not gonna have a whole lot of time. So chances are, whenever you start out your site, it's not going to have a whole lot of content to begin with, and you just don't need to spend the money on this extra stuff if you don't have it at the time. So again, we will come back to this whenever I find the extra money to go ahead and set up an email, go ahead and pay for a business plan and stuff like that. We'll come back to these and set these other things up. So I just wanted to go ahead and put that out there. In our next video, we will be going over cookies and visitor data, and these videos should be kind of short. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys are behind me on this or not. This is something that I'm passionate about. Obviously, I've been doing gaming forever, and I just want to be in control of my own content. So with that said, as always, guys, love your faces. Thank you so much for coming to check this out, and we will see you guys on the next video.